How are you guys? This is IBU Learning, the place to develop your academic skills. Today with new tutorial I am going to show you how you can update missing content library with latest Revit version. I have recently upgraded to Revit 2023 and found also the same issue of content library missing. So let's see here how we can upgrade it. So now I am here in Revit 2023 startup page and going to open new file, or I can choose this architectural sample. Once it's open, just move to insert tab and try to load the family. Once you load, go back to the library. You'll see we are using English Imperial or English Metric. So I'm using English Metric here. So once I'll double click here, I'll enter in the library folder, and you can see there is a structural precast, some of the content, and some of the root analysis is only there, and all other is missing. If I will get you to the previous version of Revit what I have, I'll show you. Just switching that. I'm going to Revit 2020, and then in the same I'm going to insert tab and load family. Once you are there, you can see US Metric in the library, US Metric, US Imperial. If I go to Metric, you can see all the library is completely updated. So I mean, how we can get that the same content in the 2023. So again switch back to the 2023 and then close this. Now I'm just going to click on this help icon, or you can press F1 to go directly to the Autodesk help website, and you can just write here content, press enter. So then here in the left side you can just scroll down information category and just go to click on download. Once you click here, you will have Autodesk Revit 2023 content. Just click here, and then once you will reach on this page, scroll down, you will find all the content available at the Autodesk website. Like every language is there. You can see all the language has content library. You can upgrade, or you can download and install from here. So just I'm scrolling down to search that where is the content what I required. I need US English content for Revit, and this library is Imperial and Metric. So this is the one what I am looking for. This is 1.2 GB, 26 GB. So just I'm going to download this. Once you'll click, it's start downloading. Once it will be download will be finished, then I am going to install it. So in the download, I'm just going to escape it to just once it will complete, I will just show you how you can install it now. In the meantime, you can go to IBU Learning YouTube page, and you can see check all the videos posted here. There are more than 40 or 50 videos is there. You can get the help related to your topic. You can find more. And so this is going to be finished now. Once it's finished, just go to open file. You can see this is started extracting, and after that it will be start installation. I think before installing I should just go to close the Revit. it's better to close to let the installation complete properly. So now just select the yes to install this. Now you can see it's preparing for the installation, and after that you have to just click on install. You can see that installing Autodesk US English content for Revit 2023. It will take some time to just install, but it's depend on your system configuration. So now you can see here it's already installed 100%, and then just click on the finish, and now move to the Revit. Just I'm going to click on the Revit to open this, and let's see it is updated or still not. So just I'm minimizing this. Once it will open, then we will see. We will go through the same procedure and we will check that it is updated or not, because I'm sure that it will be work now. If you have any issue for the previous version of the Revit, you can check on my previous video. I'm just going to open the same file. Now just move to the insert tab and load family. Then you can click on the US, and you can see this all the families library is upgraded with the full of the family. You can see all the structural columns, annotations, everything is there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.